Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of SUVs with a topic that might ruffle some feathers and spark some heated debates in the comments section. We're talking about 4 SUV brands that consistently outperform Honda in the sport utility vehicle segment, and I'm going to back up every claim with solid reasoning and real-world examples. Now, before the Honda fanboys start typing furiously in the comments, let me be absolutely clear. Honda makes excellent vehicles, and their reputation for reliability won Toyota. Let's start with our first brand that consistently delivers superior SUVs, Toyota. Honda's longtime Japanese rival and the manufacturer that truly understands how to build SUVs for different market segments and customer needs. The relationship between Honda and Toyota has always been fascinating, with both Japanese automakers competing fiercely in nearly every automotive segment from compact cars to luxury vehicles. However, when it comes to SUVs, Toyota has maintained a clear and decisive advantage that spans multiple decades and continues to this day. The Toyota 4Runner stands as a testament to what a true SUV should be: rugged, genuinely capable, and built to last through decades of demanding use. While Honda's Pilot focuses primarily on car-like comfort, smooth ride quality, and fuel efficiency, the 4Runner embraces its truck-based roots with body-on-frame construction that can handle serious off-road adventures, rocky terrain, steep inclines, and towing duties that would make a Honda SUV owner nervous about potential damage or mechanical stress. The 4Runner's approach angles, departure angles, ground clearance, and available crawl control systems demonstrate Toyota's commitment to building SUVs that can actually handle the challenging conditions that the SUV acronym implies. The available V6 engine provides adequate power for most situations while maintaining the reliability that Toyota is famous for, and the manual transmission option in certain trims shows Toyota's understanding that some SUV enthusiasts want maximum control over their vehicle's performance. The Toyota Highlander represents another area where Toyota significantly outshines Honda's comparable offerings. While both brands offer 3-row family SUVs designed for suburban families, the Highlander provides superior interior space utilization, more powerful and refined engine options, better cargo management solutions, and Toyota's legendary reliability reputation that extends specifically to their SUV platforms rather than just their sedan lineup. The hybrid variants of Toyota's SUVs consistently deliver better real-world fuel economy than Honda's offerings, despite Honda's well-deserved reputation for efficiency innovations. This is particularly evident when you compare the Highlander hybrid to the Honda Pilot, where Toyota's more mature and sophisticated hybrid technology delivers superior fuel economy without sacrificing the performance or capability that SUV buyers expect from their vehicles. Toyota's luxury division, Lexus, further demonstrates this SUV superiority with vehicles like the GX and LX series that operate in premium segments where Honda simply has no competitive presence. These SUVs offer levels of luxury appointment, off-road capability, and long-term reliability that Honda simply cannot match with their Acura MDX or any other vehicle in their lineup. The Lexus GX, built on the same proven platform as the international Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, provides genuine off-road capability while maintaining luxury car refinement, something Honda has never achieved in their SUV development effort. The Land Cruiser, though recently discontinued in the United States, represented the pinnacle of SUV engineering with its legendary reliability, unmatched off-road capability, and ability to handle the most challenging conditions anywhere in the world. Toyota's decision to discontinue the Land Cruiser in favor of the more efficient Highlander and 4Runner demonstrates their strategic approach to different market segments, while Honda continues to offer one-size-fits-all solutions that don't excel in any particular area. 2. Jeep. The second brand that consistently outperforms Honda in the SUV space is Jeep, and this might seem like an obvious choice given Jeep's heritage and brand identity, but the reasons go much deeper than just marketing image and historical reputation. Jeep fundamentally understands that SUVs should be special, exciting, and capable vehicles rather than just practical transportation appliances that happen to sit higher off the ground than traditional sedans. The Wrangler, despite its well-documented compromises in on-road comfort, fuel economy, and highway noise levels, delivers an authentic SUV experience that Honda has never even attempted to match or compete with. The removable doors and roof panels, the solid front and rear axles, the impressive approach and departure angles, and the available rock crawling equipment represent the elements that make SUVs genuinely exciting and purposeful rather than just taller versions of family sedans. The Wrangler's ability to ford water, climb over large rocks, and navigate challenging off-road terrain while providing open-air driving experiences creates emotional connections with owners that Honda's SUVs simply cannot achieve. The Wrangler community, with its distinctive wave tradition and extensive aftermarket support, demonstrates how SUVs can be more than transportation devices. They can be lifestyle enablers and community builders. The Grand Cherokee represents Jeep's impressive ability to to blend serious SUV capability with modern refinement and everyday usability. Its available V8 engines, sophisticated and proven four-wheel drive systems, and genuine towing capacity put it in a completely different performance league than Honda's car-based SUV. The Grand Cherokee can comfortably tow a large boat or substantial travel trailer while still providing a comfortable highway cruising experience. Try doing that with a Honda Pilot, and you'll quickly understand the fundamental difference between a real SUV and a tall wagon. The Grand Cherokee's available Quadra-Track and Quadra-Drive systems provide multiple terrain management modes, electronic limited slip differentials, and low-range gearing that enable genuine off-road capability when needed, while the interior appointments and ride quality remain suitable for daily family use. This combination of capability and refinement represents the SUV ideal that Honda's vehicles never quite achieve. Jeep's newest three-row SUV, the Grand Cherokee L, addresses the family hauling segment while maintaining true SUV characteristics and the brand's authentic character. Unlike the Honda Pilot, which feels like a minivan without sliding doors, the Grand Cherokee L maintains commanding ground clearance, substantial towing capacity, available advanced four-wheel drive systems that can handle challenging terrain, and interior appointments that feel genuinely premium rather than merely adequate. The Grand Cherokee L's longer wheelbase provides legitimate third-row space for adults rather than just children, while the available air suspension system allows for improved ride quality on highways and increased ground clearance for off-road adventure. The interior materials and build quality have improved dramatically in recent years, making Jeep a legitimate alternative to more expensive luxury SUVs while maintaining the brand's authentic SUV character and capability focus. 3. Our third brand that consistently outclasses Honda in the SUV segment is Ford, and this might surprise some viewers who think of Ford primarily as a truck company or associate the brand mainly with the F-150 and commercial vehicles. However, Ford's SUV lineup demonstrates a clear and sophisticated understanding of what different SUV buyers actually want and need, rather than trying to make one vehicle satisfy everyone poorly, as Honda tends to do. The Ford Bronco represents everything Honda's SUV lineup lacks: genuine personality, serious off-road capability, emotional appeal, and the kind of character that makes owners passionate about their vehicles. The Bronco is designed to be an experience that connects drivers with adventure and outdoor exploration. The Bronco's modular design philosophy and serious off-road hardware like electronic sway bar disconnects, specialized terrain management systems, and advanced four-wheel drive systems put the Bronco in a completely different category than anything Honda offers or has ever attempted to develop. Even the two-door Bronco provides more genuine SUV character, better off-road capability, and more emotional appeal than Honda's entire SUV lineup combined. The Bronco's success in the marketplace demonstrates that consumers want SUVs with character and capability rather than just efficient transportation, validating Ford's decision to invest in creating a truly special vehicle rather than just another crossover. Ford's Explorer, despite its troubled recent redesign and some quality issues, still offers capabilities and features that Honda simply cannot match with their current technology and platform strategy. The available twin-turbo V6 engine produces significantly more power than any Honda SUV, enabling confident highway merging, mountain driving, and towing performance that Honda's naturally aspirated engines cannot match. The Explorer's Police Interceptor version proves the platform's durability under extreme conditions and demanding use, while the civilian versions offer towing capacity and available intelligent all-wheel drive systems that demonstrate Ford's commitment to making SUVs that can handle demanding tasks rather than just daily commuting and school runs. The Ford Expedition represents full-size SUV excellence in a segment that Honda doesn't even attempt to compete in, conceding this important market to Ford and other truck-based competitors. Built on Ford's proven truck platform and sharing components with the successful F, the Expedition offers genuine three-row space where adults can actually sit comfortably, impressive towing capacity that enables serious recreational activities, and the kind of commanding road presence that defines traditional American SUV. The available Platinum trim level provides luxury amenities and premium materials that rival much more expensive premium brands while maintaining the capability and utility that make SUVs special and useful. The Expedition's independent rear suspension provides car-like ride quality while maintaining truck-like capability, demonstrating how modern engineering can deliver the best of both worlds when manufacturers commit to SUV excellence rather than just adequate transportation. Ford's luxury Lincoln division further extends this SUV advantage with vehicles like the Navigator, which combines full-size capability with genuine luxury refinement segment that Honda's Acura division cannot approach with their car-based platforms and conservative design philosophy. The Navigator's twin-turbo V6 engine, sophisticated air suspension system, and premium interior appointments create an SUV experience that Honda has never even attempted to match. For Chevrolet, the fourth brand that consistently delivers superior SUVs compared to Honda is Chevrolet, representing General Motors' mainstream SUV expertise and their deep understanding of American SUV preferences and requirements. Chevrolet's approach to SUVs embraces the fundamental principle that these vehicles should be capable, powerful, and purposeful rather than just efficient transportation pods that prioritize fuel economy over functionality and character. The Chevrolet Tahoe exemplifies everything Honda's SUV lineup lacks: genuine truck-based construction that can handle serious abuse, substantial towing capacity that enables real recreational activities, and the interior space that comes from designing a vehicle specifically to be large and accommodating rather than trying to maximize efficiency within compact dimensions. The Tahoe's independent rear suspension provides a comfortable and controlled ride quality while maintaining serious hauling and towing capabilities that would overwhelm any Honda SUV and potentially cause mechanical problems or safety concerns. The available V8 engines deliver the kind of effortless power that makes highway merging, mountain driving, and trailer towing confidence-inspiring rather than stressful experiences that require careful planning and route selection. When you need to tow a large travel trailer for extended family vacations, transport a boat to the lake for weekend recreation, or haul construction materials for home projects, the Tahoe delivers capability that Honda simply cannot match with their car-based platforms and efficiency-focused powertrain strategies. The Tahoe's truck-based construction provides the structural integrity and mechanical robustness necessary for demanding tasks that would damage or overwhelm Honda's unibody SUVs. Chevrolet's Suburban takes this full-size SUV concept even further while maintaining the towing capacity to bring along recreational vehicles or equipment, demonstrates the kind of capability that makes SUVs genuinely useful for active families rather than just slightly more versatile than sedans. The Chevrolet Traverse, while not as capability-focused as the truck-based models, still demonstrates Chevrolet's superior understanding of SUV priorities and customer needs. The Traverse offers more interior space than Honda's Pilot despite similar exterior dimensions, demonstrating more efficient packaging and better space utilization. The Traverse also provides better towing capacity, more powerful engine options, and more advanced available features than Honda's comparable offering. The available all-wheel drive system in the Traverse provides better foul-weather traction and more confident handling than Honda's systems, which prioritize fuel economy over performance and capability. The Traverse's ride quality, interior materials, and overall refinement have improved significantly in recent generations, making it a legitimate alternative to more expensive three-row SUVs while maintaining Chevrolet's value proposition. Even Chevrolet's smaller SUVs like the Equinox demonstrate important advantages over Honda's offerings in similar segments. The Equinox provides better warranty coverage that protects owners from unexpected repair costs, more efficient interior space utilization, and available features that Honda charges premium prices for or doesn't offer at all in their lineup. Consistently deliver better real-world performance than Honda's naturally aspirated engines, which often feel underpowered in modern traffic conditions, highway merging situations, and mountain driving scenarios. The additional power and torque from Chevrolet's turbocharged engines also enable better towing performance and more confident driving experiences. Toyota understands that SUVs should be robust and capable while maintaining the refinement and reliability that modern buyers expect. Their body-on-frame models like the 4Runner prioritize durability and capability over efficiency, while their unibody models like the Highlander still emphasize substance and functionality over mere style and marketing appeal. Jeep embraces the adventurous spirit and authentic character that originally made SUVs popular with outdoor enthusiasts and families who wanted vehicles that could handle diverse challenges. Jeep creates vehicles that inspire exploration and outdoor activities rather than just efficient commuting and routine transportation tasks. Ford demonstrates that SUVs can be both capable and innovative, with the Bronco's modular design and the Expedition's advanced technology showing how traditional SUV values can evolve with modern expectations and technologies. Ford proves that manufacturers can honor SUV heritage while incorporating contemporary conveniences and capabilities. Chevrolet proves that full-size SUVs still have an important and valuable place in the market, providing capabilities that smaller, more efficient vehicles simply cannot match when customers need genuine utility and capability rather than just elevated seating positions and slightly better visibility. Honda's SUV weakness isn't necessarily a criticism of the brand brand overall. Their sedans, coupes, and some crossovers serve their intended purposes well and maintain Honda's reputation for reliability and value. However, when consumers choose SUVs, they're usually looking for specific capabilities, road presence, or experiences that Honda's conservative offerings simply don't provide or prioritize in their development process. So there you have it, 4 SUV brands that consistently outperform Honda in the categories that matter most to SUV buyers who want more than just reliable transportation. While Honda remains an excellent choice for efficient, reliable vehicles that will serve their owners well for many years, these brands prove that SUVs can be so much more than just tall cars with slightly better visibility and ground clearance. What do you think about this comprehensive analysis? Have you had personal experiences with these brands that support or contradict these observations? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content that cuts through the marketing hype to deliver honest assessments of what these vehicles actually offer in real-world use. Till next time, keep exploring and remember that the best SUV is the one that matches your actual needs and desires, not just the one with the best reputation for reliability or fuel economy.